In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload a video on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here at this plus to start creating a post. After that, basically we can choose between post, story or reel. If you just would like to upload a reel, you can select a reel from here, and then all you have to do is just choose a video from your camera roll. In that simple way, just select a video. Also you can trim it from the end and from the start, and then to continue tap at next. Then we can add some music, some effects here, some stickers, all this stuff, and then once you are done with that, just tap at next and then next and share to share this video as a reel on Instagram.